Hi, I'm Mark Glassmeyer and welcome to another Flight Outfitters Touch and Go product demo video. Today we're looking at our military-inspired chart kneeboard. So, the military style is we use a single adjustable strap through the buckle. And one thing we've done, these buckles are great because you can really crank down and get them real nice and tight. It's probably why the military uses them. But one thing we thought was that when you really crank down, you can kind of pinch the back part of your knee in that buckle strap. So we put a buckle protector here. So it's a little extra piece of fabric that the buckle itself rests against. So when you feed the elastic adjuster strap through it, it's going to prevent any skin from getting stuck up in there and getting pinched, which is a little surprise you don't want to do. The chart kneeboard is fully adjustable as far as which orientation you want it. Right now I've got it set up where I've got my pen light and my pens accessible here. I like to take my sunglasses off of my person and put them here so they're easy to get to. It works out really nice for me. Here I'll typically in flight, have some charging cables, and if I'm flying this way I'll put my iPhone right there. Now, if you prefer to have, if you don't have anything here and you want to have the chart on the outside, you can flip the kneeboard. Oh, well, wait, my chart's on the wrong side. No, it's not, because what we did is we added an extra Velcro slash pocket here. Apologize, stuff falling around. So now I can change the configuration of the kneeboard, or the orientation rather. And we'll adjust it real quick, nice and tight. Let's throw that sectional chart on there. Ooh. So I get these different pens and such. So there it is, the chart military inspired kneeboard from Flight Outfitters.